Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily free up storage on your CHiQ TV. So first head over to all settings. Now here scroll down until you guys see the system. Now click here and go to storage and click on the free up storage. So here, as you guys can see, I can either uninstall some apps. I don't want to do that, so I can simply clear cache. Now I got 50 gigabytes more, so this is how you guys can easily free up some storage on your own TV. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.